Hello and welcome to this Guide to Digital Printing and Scanning DVD. My name is Vincent Oliver and I'm the editor of the PhotoEye website. On this DVD I'm going to be showing you how to prepare your digital files ready for printing, and then we'll show you how to get the very best results from your printer. There's nothing more satisfying than getting out and about with your camera gear. Finding great locations, seeking out unique viewpoints, and then using your photographic skills to capture the moment. Seeing and taking photographs is, after all, what photography is all about. Today, we can have full control on the way our pictures turn out. We can manipulate the images in an image editing application such as Photoshop or Paintshop Pro, and then print out the pictures. I'll be covering several topics including colour management, profiling monitors and printers, selecting the right media, and many other things to help you to produce that perfect print. For the photographer who has a large collection of pictures shot on film, I'll be showing you how to convert the negatives, slides or prints into digital files using a scanner. And I'll be showing you the best settings to use for scanning your valuable collection of photographs. I'll also be showing you some easy to follow screenshot tutorials demonstrating techniques for restoring old and damaged photographs. So now let's take a closer look at printing and scanning.